What's up guys, today I gotta do some unboxing. Here's the package. It arrived as usual, faster than anything. Let me just crack this open. Inside the box there's bubble wraps, and here it is, the Power Suit Power Life. Here's the front, it's red, exactly how it should look. It says here extra battery 100%, 130%. Let me see if I could focus this. Oops, there we go. Okay, so that's actually more harder than it looks here. There we go. You guys can see it. What is this mess? It will not focus, but anyway, you guys get the idea. Got it. Anyway, you guys get the idea. It's 130% extra battery. 3500 mAh. I'm not much of an electrician here. I don't know much detail other than it's 130%. It says their power case says slim fit. Well, let's see if it's slim for you. At the back you see Power Suit, Power Life, and he has the specifications like input, output, capacity, short circuit, overcharge, dimension. Wish I could zoom it in for you, but the camera is not participating. It's not not very helpful here today. By the way, you guys are wondering, I'm just filming this camera. I usually use my phone, so as you can tell, not much of a camera guy. Yeah, it's a struggle for me to focus this. Anyways, the back just has all the basic details that you need. I mean, he has all the quick diagram, the whole thing, the built-in LEAP polymer battery, full accessibility to buttons and camera, changeable frames, power in the back, and of course the micro USB charging port. And then the bottom here says that this battery case sports a built-in battery which doubles the life of Galaxy 6, featuring a low profile and slim design. You will forget you're carrying extra power on the go. Cut out for all of the Galaxy S6 features. Use your S6 without removing it from the case. Alright, well, I don't really have much big expectation for this one. All I want is to be able to extend my battery life. I'm not really expecting this to be something I would use every day, but there seems to be they're giving us promises out of the blue. I mean, do I think that this is gonna be something I would... Okay, you know what, this is more lighter than I thought it would be. The battery case, whatever, feels more light compared to any power bank that you would think. It doesn't look like... It looks like a regular case. It's a little hard. If you drop this bad boy, I mean, it'll break. Anyway, enough of that. Here's a manual. It actually shows you battery for Galaxy S6, and then the user manual, and then some illustration here, installation, charging your battery case, and everything. I should probably read this before anything. And then of course it includes your own charger. Here it is. You can use this to, oh, it has its own aux cord, and of course this, the USB port. Well, that's it guys, that's all it's in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you guys want me to show any reviews on this device, hit me up on the comment section. See you guys next time. Peace.